Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm bringing to you an install video which I pre-recorded on my Paragon Big Brake Kit. Before we start the video, I wanted to discuss a few key things with you guys. First and foremost, why am I going with a big brake kit? We all know that the OEM calipers are great. They've held up for me. I actually ran my personal best in my local track just using that caliper and some track pads and stainless steel brake lines. However, I noticed that once you start pushing the car, heat becomes an issue. Actually, I had to go through several pairs of rotors for the front because every time I attend an event, at the end of the day, I would notice that the rotors are warped. I think having this big brake kit would really benefit me with heat management. Another thing is, if you're planning on buying a big brake kit, a Paragon big brake kit, I would advise you to go to their website and print out a template like this. This is a 370 mil. I couldn't find my 350 anymore. I think I lost it. I actually measured my wheels before the install, and I determined that I would need to purchase two sets of spacers for my wheels, a 3 mil and a 5 mil. Another thing is, I had a couple of issues during the install. One of them is the Goodrich brake lines that come with the kit. For some reason, it won't go into the hardline. So I opted to use the one that I have installed. It's also a stainless steel brake line, so I didn't have any issues with it. The other thing are the bolts, the caliper bracket bolts. The one that they sent are too short. I used the OEM bolts, put the caliper bracket into the knuckle. I didn't have any issues with it. It'll protrude a little bit, but not much. It won't hit the rotor in any way. Lastly, some of you might be asking, how hard is it, or do I have to modify anything, or do I have to remove the heat shield in order for me to put the caliper in? For that, you have to watch the video. Let's start.